Hello everyone, welcome to Unbest Victory. In this session, we are going to see a one very interesting question from the chapter Solution of Triangle. Okay, it is important for JEE mains and as well important for advanced also. Basic things are going to use. Okay, this is an average question from the chapter Solution of Triangles. You can solve this question. Okay, please pause the videos and try by yourself. If you are able to solve, that's great. If not, no problem, try to understand the solution. Okay, so let's see what is given to us in the question. First we will read in the triangle ABC. Okay, so we have one triangle given to us. Okay, in this triangle ABC. Okay, in solution of triangle we know, my dear students, if ABC is given, so we have to assume that this is your A side, this is by default, this is B side, and this is your C side. Okay, means side, third side. Okay, C angle opposite to the C is C side, angle opposite to capital B is B small b side. Okay, like this. Now if A is the arithmetic mean, okay, A is arithmetic mean and B comma C are the two geometric means between the same two positive numbers. So we will say that let two positive numbers are x and y. Okay, so we assume that let's positive numbers be x and y. Now A is what? A is arithmetic mean of x and y given, my dear students. Okay, in the question only. So I can say that A is equal to x plus y by 2. On the same side, B and C are the two geometric mean. Means if x is your first term, then B is your second term, C is your third term, and the last y is your last term. Okay, understood? So if I ask you to write down geometric mean the value of B in terms of x, what you will write down? Okay, do you remember this is T1? If it is your first term is your A or T1, so the second will be R times T1, right? Third will be R square T2, T1, sorry. Okay, if your T is your first term, right? Do you remember? And then fourth term will be R cube T first. Okay, for example, AR square, AR cube, like that. Understood? So here A is your x, means first term is your x. Then what will be your B? B will be x into R, where R is your common ratio, right? And what will be C? So will be x into R square. And what will be Y? That is last term will be x into R power 3, where R is common ratio. Understood? Now from this third equation, I can say that R cube is nothing but y upon x. Okay, y upon x. That implies R is equal to cube root of y upon x. Okay, so we got the value of R here. From there, I can find out the value of B and C. So therefore, B will be equal to B is what? Here it is B, right? This is B. So B is equal to XR. So therefore, B is equal to X times what is value of R? Y raised to 1 upon 3 upon X raised to 1 upon 3. So if you simplify by indices rule, it will be X power 1 minus 1 by root 3, that will become 2 by 3, and Y raised to 1 upon 3. Okay, understood? Now similarly, what is C here? X into R square. So now that will be equal to x into y raised to 2 by 3 upon x raised to 2 by 3. If you simplify this, you will get x raised to 1 upon 3 and y raised to 2 upon 3. Understood? So now we got the value of b and c, my dear students. I hope you don't have any doubt in this. Okay, so now we have the value of a here, we have value of a, we have value of b, and we have value of c. Now what is the question they are asking? Sin cube b plus sin cube c upon sin a, sin b, sin c. Okay, so in triangle they are asking this value, find out the value of sin cube b plus sin cube c upon sin a, sin b into sin c. Now if you observe, in solution of triangle we know that sine rule, yes or no? Sine rule. So we can convert this sine of the angle in terms of side. How, sir? We know very well sine rule, a b c. So sine of a is equal to sine of a upon a. If it is a, this is will be, and this will be c, is equal to sine of b upon b is equal to sine of c upon c equal to some constant k. Okay, so I can write down sine of a is equal to a times k, sine of b similarly b times k, right, and sine of c we can write down this ratio with equal to k, so ck. Now use these values in the given expression. This was the given expression, so in this we will put, so it will become sin cube b, that becomes b cube k cube. Okay, so b cube k cube plus c cube k cube upon, this will be a times k multiplied, there is a multiplication, right, b times k and into c times k. Now my dear students, k cube I am taking common, so it will be b cube plus c cube. Now upon, you can observe k into a 3 times, it will become k cube into a into b into c. So here I can simply cancel the k cube. Okay, now b cube, now what will be b cube, my dear students? Now we have already b here, right, here already we have b, so b cube will be equal to how much? If you take cube on both side, so it will be cube like this, right, so it will be x square, 3 will get cancelled out, and into y. Similarly you will get c cube here, x into y square. Now put those values here, all values we will put here, what is whatever value we got here, a b c. Okay, so it will be b cube is x square y plus c cube is x into y square upon a is x plus y by 2 into b is, now what is b, my dear friends? B is x square, here this is your b, right, this value is b. So x raised to 2 by 3, x raised to 2 by 3, y raised to 1 upon 3 into x raised to 1 upon 3, c value is x raised to 1 upon 3 and y raised to 2 upon 3. Now if you simplify this, take x and y common, taking x and y common in numerator, it will become x plus y only, right, x square is there, here one x is there, so I am taking x common, so x will left, right, y I am taking common here, right, so y square becomes y and y I am taking common, so will come outside, so x y I am taking common, right, and upon x plus y by 2 into, so say like terms power get added, right, like variables are there and power get added, 2 plus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 3 which is 1 into y raised to same 1. So this we will get cancel out, this and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled, this 2 will go up. Okay, so it becomes 2. The required answer is 2. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now you can see the solution, you can take the screenshot, my dear friends, and I hope you understood this question. Okay, so this is one of the good question. Thank you so much. We are going to upload the same video for JEE Mains and Advanced. Bye bye, take care.